Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. It is Vlogmas day 3, and in keeping with my using things out of the freezer or cupboards, I am getting a roast and putting it in the crock pot. There it is. Let's use some potatoes. So right now I've just got the garlic, some bouillon, the meat. That's it. Put it in there. And I've got one of these liners. Have you ever used these liners before? They are awesome. Just slow cooker liners. I get them at Fred Meyer. Makes cleanup so easy. All right. Put away garbage, recycling. I will put in the carrots and potatoes later on. They don't need to cook all day long like the roast does. Frozen roast, 8 hours, low temperature. I'll put in the carrots and the potatoes later on near when it's time. They should probably take probably 2 hours. This house is down the road from our house, and I want to see how much it's selling for. I'm not the only one. These guys stopped by too. So grab this. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath that looks a little smaller than ours. $285. Well, this one looks old. Just like ours. Maybe I'll get to go inside one of these days, take you on a visit. But the higher this house sells for, the better it is for our house. Smells good. Let's move around that garlic. On my bag of new potatoes. Rinse them in the bag. Yeah, they look pretty good. All right, now we can put the carrots in. Now I just need to put some onions on top. So it's the next morning. It's actually day number 4 of Vlogmas, but I had to wrap up day number 3 of Vlogmas. I was at a church function last night, eating my own food. Everybody tells me that the roast worked out very well. It was tasty, and there's only a little bit left. So I would say that is a success. All right, I will see you in the next video, which is actually today, but it will be day number 4 in that video. This is it for day number 3. Have an awesome one. Bye. Okay, one addition. We have a P.O. box now near the camp that we're going to. And if you send us a Christmas card, we will send you a Christmas card. You can participate in our Christmas card exchange. Thanks, Summers in Alaska, for giving me this awesome idea. All right, so here is the P.O. box. It's kind of weird because they don't give you a number. They just give you your last name. So, Leach Family, P.O. Box Leach in Dryden, Washington, 98821.